Hello friends, in my previous lecture we have to discuss how to print the even and odd number. In this video lecture we are going to discuss how to print the minimum value from the list of array. Let's see with practical. Click on the file, new and take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name and simply giving my project name as array demo and then click on the next and then finish. Okay, my project is displayed under Package Explorer and simply explore it and right click on the src. A dialog box will display here. Click on the new and take a class. Here we need to write my class name and giving my class name as a class 1 and check the public static void main method and then click on the finish. Okay, here my class is successfully created and with the main method. Within the main method I have to need simply declare and instantiate the array. So here I am declaring the array and giving the size of array as a 5 and then here we need to initialize the array value. So I am initializing the 0 and x position as a 10 and then copy it and paste it. Alright, initialize the 20 at the 0 and x position, 1 and x position. Second index position I am simply initialize the value as a 12. Third index position contain the value as a 15 and fourth index position contain the value as a 5. Alright, and simply delete this extra statement. Okay, look here and I am simply write here a variable int mean equal arr 0 okay, and terminated with semicolon. Look here, 0 index position contain the 10 value, 1 index position 20, second index position 12, third index position 15, fourth index position 5. Alright, and here I am declaring a mean variable and initialize the 0 index position value into the mean variable. Means the 10 value initialize into the mean variable and simply in the next line I am going to use the loop and declaring a variable I and initialize the value as a 0 and then check the condition I less than arr dot length and I plus plus, press enter. Alright, so the loop is continue until the length of the array less than I. Within the body of the loop I am simply need to write the condition for checking the minimum value. So simply write here arr I less than mean and then within the body of if I am simply write here mean equal arr I. Alright, look here I am giving the condition if the value of array less than mean variable, value of the mean variable, then the array value I am simply assigning to the mean variable. Alright, so we discuss one by one. The mean variable contain the 10, that is the 0 index position of the array is 10 and within the loop the value of I is 0. So the arr 0 index position contain the 10 value and the mean value also contain the 10 value. So condition is false. Value of I is incremented by 1. Check the condition is true. The value of I is 1 and the 1 index position of the array contain the 20 and 20 less than 10. The condition is false because the 20 value is not less than 10. So control again come here and increment the value of I as 1, and after increment the value of I is 2, and control again come check the condition here, loop condition is true, control come here and check the condition. The second index position of the array contain the 12 value and the mean contain the 10, so condition is false because the 12 value not less than 10 value. So control again come here and increment the value of I as a 1, check the condition. After increment the value of I is 3, and the third index position of the array contain the 15 value, and again check the condition mean. Condition is false because the 15 is not less than 10. So control again come here, increment the value of I and check the condition. After increment the value of I is 4, and the fourth index position of the array contain the 5 value, and mean contain the 10 value. The condition is true, means the 5 value less than 10. Condition true, then the 5 value assigned into the mean variable. Alright, so you can easily find the minimum value from the array. And you simply need here to write the system dot out dot println, and simply print the value minimum value is plus, and write here mean. Alright, and save it and run it. Okay, the minimum value is 5. Alright, thank you friend. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. In my next video we will going to discuss how to find the maximum value from the list of the array. Thank you friends.